Hello bachas, how you all are doing? Yes, great, good. This is your Pallavi ma'am from JoyJumperz Satellite. Today we are going to make something very exciting, something very new. Yes, any guesses what we are going to make today? As you can see, we are going to make some craft today. Yes, we are going to make a walking mini robot. Yes, okay. For this, you need a scissor, a sketch pen, 2 sticks. Okay, any type of sticks can do, and 2 little eyes, 1 mouth, fevistick, sellotape, and any A4 sheet, any colored paper you can take. Okay. Now we are going to start. Okay. Yes. Now okay. Now tell me one thing. Are you washing your hands properly? You are maintaining your basic hygiene all day. Yes. You should follow all the basic hygiene rules and you should keep washing your hands very frequently. Okay? Yes? Good? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to start. Okay? Now we have to take any color A4 size paper. Okay? Now we are going to fold it. Now Mama Papa, please help my kiddos to make it. Okay? And don't ever use scissor when Mama Papa is not with you. Okay? Don't ever try to do that. Okay? It's very dangerous. Okay? Now you have to just fold this A4 sheet into half. Now I will cut the same into half. Okay? Like this. Okay? Now you can see I have divided it into 2 parts. Okay? Now one part I will keep it here, and with one part I will just fold it in half. I am just going to fold it in half. Okay. Then again we have to open it, and again we have to fold it like this in half, and again we have to fold it like this in half. Okay. Now you all can see. Yes. Now again we have to put it in half like this. Okay. Now we will use scissor. Kids, you will not use scissor. Mama or Papa will use scissor. Okay. Now we will start cutting it. Okay. See, like this we will cut it. Okay. See how ma'am is cutting. We will take it small steps and we are going to cut it. Okay. Don't forget that you are not going to do it. You have to be with mom, dad. Mama, Papa will do it on your behalf. Okay. Because you are so small. Yes. Now, as you can see, I have just cut it. Okay. Now it will look like this. Okay. Now I will apply some fevistick or glue stick on the one side, and again I will just paste it here. Like this. You have to paste it here like this. Okay. Now it's done. It's pasted. Okay. We will have to paste it like this. Okay. Now we have to paste it like this, and these are the what? These are the legs of robot. Yes, see. It will look like this. Okay. Now we've just done it and we will keep it here. Now again we are going to cut it. Okay, one small piece of paper. Then again we are going to cut it more. Okay, now I'm going to make his face. Okay, his face and his hands. Okay, see, now we will going to make his body. Okay, now first of all we will paste his hands here. Okay, we have to apply a little glue stick on it, and these are his hands. Okay, then again we will apply a glue stick or a baby stick, and again we will paste it here like this. Okay, now these are his hands and this is his body. Now we are going to make his face and a antenna. Okay, now we are going to make his face. We are applying a small glue stick, small amount of glue stick, and we will paste it here. Okay, now as you can see, we are having a small antenna. Okay, robot is having antenna. Yes. Now we have pasted his antenna. Yes. Yes, kiddos. Now I'm going to paste his eyes. We are having two eyes. Yes. Just like robot is also having two eyes. Okay, see, now this, like this, we have applied his eyes. Yes, now we are going to apply some glue stick on his lips. Okay, see, he's smiling. See, how come he is smiling? No? Now we are going to make his hands as well. Okay, how we will make with hands? We will cut it into a extra cut out of V shape. Okay, like this. Now we will do it once again. Cut out of V shape. Okay, now we are going to paste it on his hands. Okay, we are going to paste it on his hands. See, it's done. Yes, see, his hands are moving. Yes, now we are going to do what? We are going to make some lines. Okay, we can draw some lines. Okay, now we are going to do what? We are going to put some sellotape at the back, at the end, so it will not move frequently. Okay, we will apply, see, like this. We will put here a sellotape, a small amount of sellotape, so it will not move. Okay, now again a sellotape. Yes, now Now this is your mini robot. Yes. Now again we will. These are the two sticks. You can use it for walking of robot. Yes. See, we will apply like this. We have to apply like this. Okay. Now again we have to apply one more stick at the back, at the end, like this. Okay. Now this is what? This is your walking mini robot. See how it's walking. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha. Okay. Yes, you enjoyed making robot, mini robot. Now, kiddos, you will make it with the help of Mama, Papa, and I'm eagerly waiting to see you all making this and post your lovely videos in the comment section. Okay? Till then, goodbye, stay connected, stay well and happy learning. Bye.